In the English alphabet, there are 5 vowels, and they are A, E, I, O, and U. At times, Y, which sound Y, also represents a vowel sound. Other than these 5 letters, all other letters in the alphabet are called consonants. So, what makes a sound a vowel? Vowels are letters that represent speech sound, where air leaves the mouth without any blockage by the tongue, lips, or throat. Therefore, we can say A sound A as in apple, E sound E as in egg, I sound E as in ink, O sound O as in orange, U sound U as in umbrella. Thank you for watching this educational material. Please subscribe, like, and share.